There's Howard Johnson. At the time of 1987 Donruss's printing, he was the National League's all-time switch hit home run king. Howard Johnson. There were a set of hotels called Howard Johnson. I believe Howard Johnson himself may have been affiliated with them. What's more important is the F-15E mud hen. According to the Monroe Doctrine, those born in Rome, Georgia, might notice the Roman numeral M at the beginning of mud hen. Especially if you're affiliated with Purdue, you might notice the 1,000 UD hens. The 1,000 UD hens of this F-15E. Beg the question, is there an F-15A? Is there an F-15B? If there is an F-15C or D, we may be in trouble with Christopher Columbus Langdell. F-15CD, F-15AB. Now, does that mean it's an A/B, or is it an F-15A and an F-15B? Langley Air Force Base in Virginia. This is very difficult, so you might find the JDs built in Japan. F-15 JDs, huh? Where are the F-15 JDs? No, they're DJs. The F-15Js and F-15 DJs. Notice the J is a single-seat fighter. The F-15J is the single-seat version. Air Self-Defense Force, Japanese Air Self-Defense Force, the F-15J. The F-15DJ is a two-seat fighter. So that begs the question, what is the C/D? Does it match analogously with the J and the DJ? Is there an F-15C and an F-15D? When the American C/D model, what's the C/D model? C and D model Eagles were rapidly delivered to frontline fighter units. There's an F-15D and there's an F-15C. All right, so Christopher Columbus Langdell was the dean at Harvard. CCL. That's 250. 250 according to the Monroe Doctrine. 1,000 on row. Doc, we're going to train you. It takes a long time to train a doctor. To find William Keener. King Charles is still biased against William Keener of Columbia. Therefore, Donald Trump is shooting up boats outside of Columbia, according to speculation.